Welcome to Car Show 1, your ultimate destination for classic and vintage car lovers. If you are passionate about automobiles, history, and rare beauties on wheels, then you are in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned as we bring you fascinating stories and deep dives into some of the most iconic cars ever made. Today, we are taking a trip back in time to explore a rare and luxurious automobile, the 1942 McLaughlin-Buick. This Canadian-built beauty holds a unique place in automotive history, blending American engineering with Canadian craftsmanship. The McLaughlin-Buick story dates back to the early 20th century when the McLaughlin Motor Car Company, founded by Sam McLaughlin, partnered with Buick to produce high-quality vehicles in Canada. By the 1940s, McLaughlin-Buick had firmly established itself as a premium brand, known for its durability, elegance, and advanced technology. The 1942 McLaughlin-Buick was a remarkable vehicle, but its production was short-lived due to World War II. That year, automobile manufacturing was halted as factories were repurposed for wartime efforts. This makes the 1942 model particularly rare and highly sought after by collectors today. One of the defining features of the 1942 McLaughlin-Buick was its striking design. The car featured a bold front grille, streamlined fenders, and elegant chrome detailing that gave it a sophisticated yet commanding presence on the road. It was built on the same platform as its American Buick counterparts, but it carried unique Canadian styling cues that set it apart. Under the hood, the 1942 McLaughlin-Buick was powered by a 320 cubic inch straight-8 engine, delivering a smooth and refined driving experience. This engine produced around 165 horsepower, which was impressive for its time. The car was equipped with a 3-speed manual transmission, providing a balanced mix of power and control. Luxury was a key focus of McLaughlin-Buick vehicles, and the 1942 model was no exception. The interior featured high-quality materials, including plush seating, fine wood trim, and a beautifully crafted dashboard. It was designed for comfort, making long drives a pleasure for both the driver and passengers. One of the standout features of the 1942 McLaughlin-Buick was its advanced technology. It came with innovations such as automatic heating controls, a modernized radio system, and improved suspension for a smoother ride. These features were ahead of their time and contributed to the car's reputation for excellence. However, due to the outbreak of World War II, civilian car production came to a halt in 1942. Many of these vehicles were repurposed for military use, making surviving models extremely rare. Today, finding a well-preserved 1942 McLaughlin-Buick is a challenge, and those that remain are considered prized collector's items. Restoring a 1942 McLaughlin-Buick requires dedication and expertise. Since production was limited, finding original parts can be difficult, but classic car enthusiasts go to great lengths to bring these historic vehicles back to their former glory. The effort is well worth it, as a fully restored McLaughlin-Buick is a masterpiece of automotive history. The legacy of McLaughlin-Buick extends beyond this particular model. The company played a crucial role in shaping the Canadian automotive industry, eventually becoming a part of General Motors Canada. The McLaughlin name remained synonymous with quality and innovation for many years. Today, the 1942 McLaughlin-Buick stands as a symbol of a bygone era, an era when cars were built with meticulous craftsmanship and timeless design. Whether you are a classic car collector, an automotive historian, or simply a fan of vintage automobiles, this rare beauty is a testament to the golden age of car manufacturing. If you ever get the chance to see a 1942 McLaughlin-Buick in person, take a moment to appreciate its elegance, engineering, and historical significance. It's more than just a car, it's a piece of history on wheels. That's all for today's episode on Car Show 1. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing classic car stories. Let us know in the comments what vintage cars you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.